In this video, I'm going to start a little bit opposite, and I'm going to start by applying foundation on my eyes, and then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm using NYX's eyebrow gel in Brunette. And this product gives me nice bold brows, and it fills in my empty spaces really good. Then I'm going to carve out the brows just to perfect the shape a little bit, and I'm using ivory lace highlighting pencil from Chella and blending underneath the brow downwards and on top of the brow upwards. Then I'm gonna get sticky tape and I'm gonna place it from underneath the eye going upwards on both sides, and then I'm gonna move on to priming my eyes, and I'm using eyeshadow potion from Urban Decay. Then I'm gonna take a thick eyeliner brush, and this one is from Too Faced, and a gel liner, and I'm gonna start creating a winged liner but blurring it and blending it inwards to give it a nice smoky effect. And then I'm taking a fluffier brush and making it even more smoky. Then I'm going to take a nude eyeshadow just to highlight and lift the brow bone. Then I'm going to take a purple eyeshadow, and I'm using Poison Plum from Sugarpill, and I'm just going to apply it on the outer third and blending it towards the middle of the eye as well. Blending it a little bit more. Inner third that's left, I'm gonna use a baby blue eyeshadow, and it's again from the Urban Decay Alice to the Looking Glass palette, and I'm using the color Metamorphosis. And then I'm gonna add some sparkle on it to bring it to life, and I'm using Lime Crime Diamond Dew in Tearful. And then I'm just applying a little bit more of the purple just to blend the two colors together and make it look seamless. Applying my eyeliner. And I'm using Blacktrack from MAC. Then I'm removing the sticky tape, and I'm just going to correct any empty spots that I have left behind or any asymmetry that's between the two eyes. I'm just going to match them as close as possible. Then I'm going to prime my skin and apply my foundation, and I'm also mixing it with Niod's photography fluid, which gives me a nice flawless skin. Highlight and also hide in any case I have any dark circles, but I'm mainly doing this to highlight my cheekbones and underneath the eye area. Then I'm taking a little bit of the gel eyeliner with a small brush, and I'm applying it to the lower lash line and making it a little smoky, and going over it with Poison Plum again, which is my purple that I used on the lash line. Applying some more of the glitter in the inner corner. Then I'm highlighting with Chaos Cosmetic loose highlighter in the color Electric. Applying a little bit of bronzer, and I'm using my favorite one from Too Faced, and a little bit of blush just on the apples of the cheeks and blending it out. And the blush is from the brand called Essence in Satin Coral. Setting with powder, just my T-zone and underneath the eyes. Applying my mascara. I'm using a cool tone red, and this one is from Lime Crime Red Royal. And in any case you do any mistakes like I did here, I'm just taking a little bit of foundation and a flat sharp brush, and I'm cleaning around to make my line as sharp as possible. Applying my falsies. And because I feel my lips and my eyes are a little bit disconnected, I'm just adding Lime Crime's Diamond Crusher in Trip just to make them connect a little bit. This is your final look. Thank you for watching. All the products are in the description box below.